Hello and welcome to our presentation on the AVID program. AVID helps students find success, and I'm going to share a few things with you tonight to help you better understand how that works. AVID stands for Advancement via Individual Determination, and that's key. While we give students the tools to be successful, the level at which they achieve success will depend on their individual determination on utilizing those skills and how they apply them. AVID is a college readiness system. It's also supporting students academically to help them reach their highest level of success, and we do that by providing enrichment activities as well. Some of the key components of the AVID system include academic support for rigorous courses, and that's very important. One of the key things that is required of AVID students is that they do take at least one higher level class, but then we give them the supports to help them find success in those classes. We find a lot of students are afraid to take those harder classes because they don't know what it takes to succeed, and we provide them those skill sets. We teach them organizational and study skills. We help them with development of critical thinking skills, so it's not just about learning content, it's learning how to think. We help them with college planning, including financial aid and scholarship searches. And we work on soft skills such as networking, oral and written communication skills, and leadership. The current system offered at LSN includes the AVID Elective. Each grade level has a section of the AVID Elective, and we currently serve approximately 75 students. That elective is a class for a grade, and it counts as an elective credit. And again, it supports our students in their rigorous classes. One of the most effective and important things in academic success is having a great organization and system. One of the ways that we accomplish this is through a complete organized binder. We teach them how to build it and how to keep it. Part of the contents of their binder will include their agenda or planner, which is how they keep track of their daily activities. Tabs for each subject, so we keep their subjects separated. Focused notes in those subjects, and I'll elaborate on that in just a minute. Assignments for each class, as well as the supplies they might need. As I said earlier, focused note-taking is a big part of that organizational system. And what it is it's a structured note-taking process. We basically teach them how to not only take notes, but use notes in their classes to help them find success. By taking and regularly using those focused notes, they're learning a career and college readiness skill that will support them in processing and retaining important content material. Another aspect of our AVID courses is to bring in guest speakers. These guest speakers come in and speak only with our AVID kids when we invite them. And it's a great opportunity for these kids to ask very specific questions, to be exposed to careers that they might not otherwise have considered, and develop a support system and networking outside of the building. These career speakers come in often. We try to get them in at least once a month. And right now we're having to set them up virtually because of COVID restrictions, but we can't wait till we can have them back live in front of our students. Tutorials. Tutorials are the cornerstone of the AVID elective class, and they're held twice a week. Right now those are on Tuesdays and Fridays. And we use the tutorials to help students learn through inquiry. So it's not just, tutorials aren't a tutor teaching the student what they don't know. It's the student learning what they don't know and how to find what they do know. Again, it's learning through inquiry. The students in the tutorial don't provide answers. They ask questions to help the student who's giving the tutorial find their own solutions. Again, it's student-led. The students guide and lead these. We do have tutors that facilitate the process that are either college graduates or former teachers. And again, they don't teach the students the content, but they lead them through the process of how to think critically to find their own answers. It focuses on successful navigation of the difficult concepts in actual classes. And again, this is like the key part of the AVID elective class, and they are offered, we have tutorials twice a week. Students are expected to bring something similar to the document you see here, prepared on those days to class, and be prepared to present whatever issue that they're having that day. At the end of the tutorial, we have the tutorial reflection. Also a very important piece of the tutorial It's where the students reflect and summarize. And they're not just summarizing academic concepts that they've clarified, but also that learning process. So we're reinforcing how we learn and how they help themselves learn. Also part of the AVID class is college visits. These are some of the colleges we've visited in the past. I do have to specify that, of course, right now during COVID, our live college visits are suspended. We are spending extra time, however, that we would have spent on college visits doing virtual tours and doing more online research of colleges. But as soon as we are able to take field trips again, we will be going out and visiting colleges in person. When we do that, what we try to do is give them a variety of colleges. If you'll see from the sample list, we have everything from large universities to small private colleges and everything in between. And what we want students to have the opportunity is to experience something that they might not otherwise seek out, and to see the even things that they thought might be out of reach, how we can make them be within reach. So give them a wide variety of opportunities. My name is Tracy Reisinger. I am the active lead teacher, and my contact information is on this page. Also, if you click on the click here part, there's an application. We encourage you to fill out an application. AVID is by invitation only. We'll go through the applications and find people that are good fits. Basically, in order to be a good fit, it has to be somebody who really wants to learn these skill sets. Again, it's an elective. They don't have to be here. And so we're looking for students who might be B or C students, maybe low A, and they're trying to catapult to that next level, and they just need help with the skill sets to make them successful at a higher academic level in a more rigorous class. If your student fits that category and is willing to come in and do the work and work with us to learn these skills, we'd love to have them, and we encourage you to submit their application. It can be returned to me here at LSN, either by email, or if you want to drop it off, that's fine as well. We look forward to hearing from you and your student. We can't wait to welcome you to the AVID family. Thanks, and have a great night.